Hello. One of the big differences between Unity and Unreal, which initially might be a bit confusing, is that Unity imports meshes as hierarchies if they have submeshes, and then you use them as a game object transform. But the same thing doesn't automatically happen in Unreal, however, it's pretty easy to fix. So I have a mesh of a chest with the lead being separate and also the coins in it. So I want to import uh, when you want to import such a mesh, if this checkbox is checked, which is bake meshes, and also the one for combining the meshes is not checked, then the meshes are imported separately, but with pivots correctly baked. So now if I simply make a static mesh, no, just a simple static mesh blueprint, then I can import them not as a hierarchy, but as any sort of combination I need. And it's pretty easy. In the blueprint, select the root component, which is the scene component. Select all the three submeshes and drag them all under this. They all come in with the correct position as they should be and with correct names. So for example, if I rotate this like 45 degrees, you can see the coins here. Now, I could combine the meshes if needed, or I could import them separately to use them separately, but if the bake mesh checkbox is checked, you can easily import them. So we have this already in the open package. This is a set of pickups and like power-ups related stuff, which you have on the Fab Marketplace. There's lots of other stuff in it, and most of them are actually single meshes, but uh, there are lots of stuff in the package that might be useful for your projects. And we have also a utility AI and an influence map and other plugins. Just go to our seller page on Fab, you can see them all, which I'll post the link to the video at the bottom.